Welcome back. Today, we're talking about the part of IT that isn't technical, but matters just as much: ticketing systems and help desk best practices. A ticketing system is where every IT request gets tracked. Someone's printer won't connect. That's a ticket. A new employee needs a laptop. That's a ticket. A server is running slow. That's a ticket. If it's not in the ticket system, it didn't happen. That's the golden rule. Why? Because without a ticket, there's no record. No way to track if it was resolved. No way to spot recurring problems. No way to report on how the IT team is performing. Every ticket has a priority: low, medium, high, or critical. A broken printer is low. A locked out executive is high. A downed email server is critical. Here are the best practices that separate good IT pros from bad ones. First, acknowledge every ticket quickly. Even if you can't fix it yet, tell them you've seen it. Second, document what you did. Not fixed it. Write, reinstalled printer driver, cleared print queue, tested on user's machine. Third, close the loop. Tell the user it's done and ask them to confirm. Soft skills matter here. The person calling you is frustrated. They can't work. Your job is to fix the problem and make them feel taken care of. Patience and clear communication will take you further than any certification. Next lesson, we cover cloud fundamentals.